you ever gotten stung by so many bees that you had explosive diarrhea? What? Hi, Dr. John Parente here, and I'm a board-certified emergency medicine physician, and yes, this was a real case I had last week. So you heard me right. I had a patient come in last week that was stung by a million different bees and turned his backyard into his own personal nightmare. And instead of swelling up, he was sitting down directly onto the toilet. What did he have? Severe uncontrolled diarrhea. Why? Is this just anaphylaxis? Let's break it down. So here's the deal. We all think about allergic reactions when it comes to bee stings. We think about the big bad one, anaphylaxis, right? Throat swelling, low blood pressure, racing heart rate, and hives all over. That's classic textbook ER anaphylaxis. But this was not the case. This patient, he got stung a dozen different times, and his body said, nope, we're going in a different direction. So what's the diagnosis? What he had was a severe non-anaphylactic hypersensitivity reaction. Huh? Instead of shutting down his airway, his immune system went for a full body cleanse. I have exorcised the demons. You see, bee venom is full of proteins and enzymes, melittin, phospholipase A2, and hyaluronidase, all of which can stir up inflammation. And in some unlucky folks, the gut takes the hit. Mast cells firing off, cytokines firing off. Suddenly you're dealing with severe diarrhea instead of hives. So how do we treat this? Epinephrine, right? Try again. He needed IV fluids, possibly some electrolyte replacement, and maybe a commode that wasn't more than 5 feet away. Sure, he got steroids, antihistamines, and even Pepsid to help calm down the immune system and calm down his gut. But treatment for this is mostly supportive and offer some sympathy. So the next time somebody tells you they're allergic to bees, don't just think about EpiPens and hives. Think too much bee venom, too much poop. I'm thinking of writing a book. The title could be Bees and the All-Natural Bowel Cleanse. If you want more weird ER stories and things that happen when medicine doesn't follow the script, hit subscribe, and I promise you'll never look at bees the same way again. You're welcome. Be careful, everyone out there.
Bees are everywhere! They're tearing off my flesh! Your firearms are useless against them!